your cravings with FOODPANDA.
FOODPANDA?
Hello and welcome everyone to the episode of the podcast where we will explore how technology transforms industry. I'm your host, Pia, and today we are diving into the digital world of food delivery, featuring one of Asia's biggest players, FOODPANDA. FOODPANDA was founded in 2012 and is now part of Delivery Hero, a global food delivery group operating in more than 10 countries. FOODPANDA serves millions of customers with a simple goal: make food and grocery delivery faster, smarter, and more convenient. We all use it. A few taps on your phone and within minutes, hot meal arrives at your doorstep. But what really goes on behind the scene? How has FOODPANDA become a household name across Asia and Europe? And what strategies have driven their impressive expansion and market presence? So, today, we'll be exploring FOODPANDA technology strategy, their innovation journey, and the commercialization plan that has helped from scale and survive in a fairly competitive delivery market. But before we dive into the discussion, let's take a moment for each of our panelists to introduce themselves.
I'm the first panel, and my name is Muhammad Amir Syahid.
And I'm the second panel. My name is Nur Aina bint Abdul Razak. I'm the third panel. My name is Nur Aina Inshira bint Faris.
I'm the fourth panel. My name is Nur Aila Shazani with you. Alright, let's kick things off with the first question. So how FOODPANDA set its technology strategy?
FOODPANDA has made a significant investment in R&D by establishing a new tech hub in Taiwan. They have committed 610 million to this initiative, which focuses on optimizing their platform and enhancing user experience. This hub plays a critical role in supporting FOODPANDA's growth across Asia, acting as a central engine for innovation. Next, FOODPANDA is embracing automation through autonomous delivery solution. They've partnered with startups like Visibility and Neolix to pilot driverless delivery vehicles in Singapore. This strategy helps increase delivery efficiency, reduce dependence on few riders, and offer safer contactless service, especially valuable during bad weather or peak hours. FOODPANDA, another key focus is the digital payment experience. FOODPANDA has partnered with Source, a visa company, to create a more seamless and secure checkout process in over 10 Asian markets. With these integrations, customers no longer have to re-enter payment information repeatedly, leading to quicker transactions and reduced friction. In Malaysia, FOODPANDA has taken the creative step by launching smart rider bag equipped with digital advertising displays. These bags act as moving billboards showing targeted ads during deliveries. It's a smart way to use brand visibility and create an additional revenue stream, all while doing what they already do best, which is delivering food. In summary, FOODPANDA's technology strategy is both broad and bold. They are investing in automation, IoT, payment, advertising, and R&D, building a scalable, future-ready delivery platform. These innovations reflect their ambition to not just follow trends but to lead the digital transformation of the food delivery industry in Asia.
Just a great explanation. So let's move to the next question, which is how has innovation played a key role in FOODPANDA journey from a startup to a leading delivery platform in Asia?
Let's explore some standout stories of startup and tech pioneers that turn bold ideas into lasting success. This company didn't just launch product, they reshaped industries. Okay, now let's start with the name many of us know, which is FOODPANDA. Back in 2012, it launched as a local food delivery app in Singapore. The difference, FOODPANDA built a mobile-first, hyper-local logistic platform in markets where online food delivery wasn't yet common. Fast forward to today, FoodPanda operates across Asia and is part of the global giant delivery Europe. They have remained on the cutting edge by investing in autonomous delivery pilots, smart advertising on delivery bags, and regional tech hub like the one in Taiwan. Key innovation marrying logistics, mobile tech, and local insight to scale quickly and smartly. The next up is Neolix, a startup from Beijing. While others debated from the future of autonomous vehicle, Neolix was already building compact, self-driving vans for real-world delivery. These are used by major e-commerce companies and even by Panda. Their innovation, designing fully autonomous electric delivery vehicle perfect for urban streets. They proved that autonomous last mile delivery wasn't science fiction, it was ready for deployment. Key takeaways: focus on niche and build a product that solves a very specific pain point. Indicates dense cities delivery. The next one is let's talk about the collaboration. PLDT Enterprise X Foodpanda. PLDT Enterprise, a major telecom company in the Philippines, partnered with Foodpanda to implement IoT solutions. Using IoT SIMs, they enable real-time tracking and data collection across thousands of delivery devices. This isn't just a text, it's an infrastructure innovation to turn analog delivery breaks into smart, connected access, improving routing and customer experience. K-lessons. Even established companies can innovate like startup when they collaborate with equality and impact. What do you think, Wani?
Okay, Aina, and finally, let's look at a tech enabler, CyberSource, a visa solution. Originally a startup in the 90s, CyberSource now powers payment for companies like FoodPanda across Asia. Their integration made checkout seamless and secure, reducing drop-off and enhancing user trust. Tokenized payments, fraud prevention, one-click purchase, this is the invisible tech that drive modern e-commerce. Lesson here, scale is not just about growth, it's about simplifying critical moments in the user journey.
Fantastic. That innovation is not always about massive project. Often, it's about solving one problem really well and doing it consistently. Whether it's robots, smart payments, or hyperlocal delivery logistics, each of these started made by focusing executing and evolving. So, how did Panda first introduce its app to the public, especially when most people may still used to buy food directly from restaurant or store?
At the beginning, Foodpanda knew they had to change habits and build trust. People were used to walking into a store, ordering recipes, and bring food home themselves. So, to introduce something new, they needed smart strategy. First, they used strong promotion. Foodpanda gave out big discount and free delivery offer to encourage people to try the apps for the first time. The goal was make online food ordering cheaper and easier than going out. Next, they worked closely with a popular local restaurant. When people saw their favorite restaurant available on the apps, it's built confidence. It's made the app feel more familiar and trustworthy. Foodpanda also did a lot of marketing and education. They ran ads on social media, radio, and billboards, showing how easy it was to order food from your phone. They use simple language, step-by-step visual, and even work with influencers to demonstrate the apps in the real life. In some areas, Foodpanda even hire brand ambassador to go to public places like mall or campus. These ambassadors help people download the apps, explain how to use it, and sometimes give free gift or coupon to encourage sign up. They also made sure the apps was very user friendly. Even people who are not tech savvy could easily find food, place an order, and make payment with just a few taps. And over time, as more people use the apps and share positive experience, the service become more common, especially during a busy day, rainy weather, or when people simply want to relax at home. So, even though people were used to buying food manually, Foodpanda introduced its apps with smart marketing, partnership, and customer-friendly feature. Slowly but surely, they changed how people thought about ordering food, turning a new idea into everyday habit.
Alright, so in a world where digital trust shift quickly and user expectation keep rising, How does FOODPANDA continue to keep its app relevant and competitive in today, fast-evolving digital landscape?
Alright, first, FOODPANDA focus on continuous updates and improvement. The app is regularly updated with new feature, bug fix, and design updates. This keep it modern, user-friendly, and compatible with the latest smartphone and operating systems. Next, they listen to user feedback. Through the rating, review, and in-app survey, they collect feedback from customer, rider, and restaurant partners. This helps them understand problems and quickly improve the app experience. FoodPanda also invests in strong technology infrastructure. They use powerful cloud servers and secure database to handle large amount of traffic, especially during peak hours like lunch and dinner time, so the app stay fast and relevant. Another key factor is personalization. The app uses AI and data analytics to recommend food options based on user habits, fast order, and location. This makes the experience more personal and keep users coming back. FoodPanda stay relevant by expanding its service. It's not just food anymore. Now users can order grocery, drinks, and even pharmaceutical through the apps. This diversification help keep the app useful in daily life. They also focus on marketing and promotion through social media, influencer ads, and special discount. FoodPanda keep its name visible and stay connected to younger tech-savvy users. Finally, security and privacy are a big priority. FoodPanda protect user data with strong encryption and safety payment systems, which help both trust and long-term usage. So, in today's competitive and fast-paced digital world, FoodPanda keep it alive and accessible through regular updates, strong tech, personalized feature, constant innovation, and trusted service.
Oh, I see. That's how they stay relevant and reliable for millions of users. Every growing company faces its share of upgrade, and FoodPanda is not exception. From intense market competition to logistical hurdles and changing customer behavior, the road has not always been smooth. So, what major challenge has FoodPanda faced throughout its journey, and how have they overcome them using technology and innovation?
I will explain about what our customer feels when using the FoodPanda application. First, the app can be slow or crash during busy times like lunch or dinner. The frustrated users who are just trying to place a quick order. Second, some users find the app difficult to use. There can be too many ads or pop-ups and it is sometimes hard to search or filter restaurants. Another common problem is order tracking. Sometimes the app shows wrong delivery times or doesn't update the rider's location properly. This causes confusion and delays. Foodpanda also deals with bugs and errors like promo codes not working, payment issues, or even app freezing unexpectedly. On top of that, the app doesn't always feel personalized. For example, it might show the same suggestion to everyone even though people have different tastes or locations. And lastly, because Foodpanda handles payments and personal data, keeping the app secure is a big challenge. Any security problems can hurt and trust the image of the brand. So overall, while Foodpanda is leading food delivery app, it still needs to keep improving its technology to make sure the app fast, easy to use, and secure for everyone. Alright.
So, what can we take away from how FoodPanda has evolved? It's definitely a case study in launching and sustaining a digital product. They didn't really just rely on tech. It was all about combining smart marketing, reward engagement, and strategic partnerships. Right. The big discounts and the restaurant names brought people in, sorry. But it was the user-friendly design and hands-on customer support that really made the app smooth. And the real genius? Once users were hooked, word of mouth did the rest. It went from just being an app to becoming part of everyday life. Absolutely. They met people where they are digitally and physically and made sure to guide them every step of the way. Foodpanda didn't just launch an app, they launched a lifestyle changer.
But let's not forget that's only half of the story. Foodpanda didn't rest on its laurels after the launch. Regular update, personalized recommendation, and consistent tech improvement have kept the app relevant. They are always listening to users and pushing forward with security upgrades, more features, and a smooth experience. And that's the takeaway for any digital product launching is one thing, but keeping it fresh and useful, that's where the real work happens.
Exactly. Foodpanda didn't just ride the wave. They built the support and kept upgrading it.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. A special thank you to our incredible panel for sharing their expertise and insight. Your contribution have truly made the discussion richer. To our listeners, we appreciate you joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting story in the next episode. Thank you and see you soon.